So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, keeping the chin parallel. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down and we'll shake into that left wrist and up to the elbow, all the way to the shoulder. Then into the right wrist, the elbow and the shoulder and both arms. And on to that left ankle, up to the knee and to the hip. And we'll come on to the right ankle and the knee and the hip. And then bring the feet back to hip width. So bring the arms up as we inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms back. So inhale, exhale, sweeping the arms. And one more. Okay, so we're going to bring the feet together, palms together to the chest, and then bring the arms up either side of the head. And then inhale, lengthen up, exhale over to the left. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale over to the right. And back to center. So again, inhale, lengthen up. Exhale over. Now pushing the hips in the opposite direction. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale the other side. So only go as far as feels good. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale over. Now keep breathing. We'll hold. And then we'll come back. Inhale. Exhale over. And breathe. And coming back. Bring the arms down. So we'll work on balance pose, tree pose. So standing on the right, we're bringing that left foot either to the ankle, to the calf, or up into the inner thigh, but not on the knee joint. You can keep the arms out if you want to help with the balance, or if you can, bring the palms together into the chest. So we're going to do 3 on each side. Go on to the other side. So standing on the left, we'll bring that right foot to the ankle, the calf, or to the inner thigh. So gradually building up your tree pose, wherever you're at. So come down, standing back on the right leg again. So bring the left foot up. So if you want to, you can always keep hold of the ankle if you want to try and keep it to the inner thigh. Make sure that knee is pushed out to the side as much as your hips allow. And just take the time to have a few breaths here. And then when you're ready, bring the arms up, either side of the head, aiming to bring the palms together. Remember, belly button squeezed in, using that focus point. Now we come down to the other side. And bring that right foot to wherever you can. So if you want to try a little harder, a little further, then maybe hold onto the foot if you can't keep it into the thigh. and just working at your level. And if we can, we're bringing the arms up. Let's make sure we keep breathing. And coming down. We're going to do one more on each side. So find that comfortable position where you know you can hold. So it might just be on the calf, or it might be into the inner thigh, or it might even be that half lotus position. Because what we're going to try, if you want to, and safe space around you, not going to bump into anything, is if you feel really steady, try closing the eyes for a few seconds and just notice the difference, how much you need to control the balance. And coming down, and we'll do the other side. Probably not the best idea when we're trying to avoid all the sheep poo. But anyway, bringing that right foot up. And just step by step, finding your easy tree pose. And just holding the balance. And if you want to give it a try, just close the eyes for a second or two. And just see how you get on. And coming down. Alright, so we're going to do standing pose, warrior one. So we're just doing the one on each side. So we'll try and sink into the position and hold. So you've got that left foot 90 degrees, left knees bent, tracking in the same direction as the toes. That right leg is straight. Bring the arms up. And just holding there. And bring the arms down, and we'll turn the feet around and do the opposite of what you've just done. I may have got the legs the wrong way round. So good bend in that front knee, so knee above the ankle but not past the ankle. If you can, we're bringing the arms up either side of the head, making sure we're breathing. And we'll bring the arms down, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, bringing the in-breath to the lower hand. Just see if you can feel the heartbeat with that upper hand. Just try and relax the body. And we'll bring the arms down. And we're all done.